This is the NOCO Boost Plus GB40 12 volt 1000 amp battery jump starter. Works on cars, motorcycles, boats. This is a must-have. This is 99 bucks on the old Amazon store, and I'm impressed by this thing. It will jumpstart your car. It also has USB ports. You can use it to charge your phone while you're not using it to jumpstart your car. So if you have a car and you think the battery is getting close to failing, if your battery is over 2 years old, most car batteries last about 3 years, right? Especially if you have kids, daughters, and they have their car, you might just want to get them one of these as well, just so they have it. How I charge it, once you get it, you can see I have it plugged in. It's USB Type-C, charging up, boom, green. And what it comes with, even as it's plugged in, you got lights, you got the dim, and you got the lower dim, 3 dim, and you got the flashies. Comes with also these jumpers, and they are spark proof as well, so they won't jump spark on you. And this connector right here goes right into this right here, and we'll go out in a second and I'll just show you how to hook it up. I recently had a battery which was over 3 years old. It failed. We got it home and didn't have any more crank left. I hooked this puppy right up, waited 30 seconds once it was hooked up, and once it's hooked up properly, this light right here, this white light, will illuminate saying you are good to go, and boom, you go in and crank the vehicle. It starts right up. But first, before you hook this up to your car battery, turn all the accessories off in your car. AC, radio, wipers, heater, butt heat, whatever. Turn it all off. And I will also post the simple steps, the instructions for how you jumpstart your battery, since I'm an idiot and I lost the little card that came with this box. All right, we're out here at the car with the NOCO Boost GB40 12 volt 1000 amp ready to go. Plug in your alligator clamps to the unit. It can only go in one way. Do not force it. Make sure you have it in the right orientation. Access to your positive first. Put that on. Make sure it's on solid. Get the negative, so positive first, then negative. The clamps are strong. All right, now we can turn this boost on. And you'll see it's flashing, and then the white indicator light is on. Look at that. It's ready to go. What I do, like I said, turn off all the accessories, AC, butt heat, radio in your vehicle first. Give this 30 seconds. And then once 30 seconds is in, go in, boom, it'll crank right up. This little guy will get you up and running again, and get you to an advanced auto part or somewhere to get a new battery. As you can see, boom, I just replaced my battery because it was 3 years old and it died on me. Is to disconnect, just reverse the process. Negative first, and then remove the positive. And that is it, and you can just turn it off. I highly recommend this thing. I think you should just get one for every car you have, just in case your battery does go. All right, thanks for watching. We'll see you in the next one.